We're going to start with the very latest on that new tropical depression.
Chief Meteorologist Steve Jervy joining us out of the gate tonight. All right, Steve, you've been telling us what might be on the horizon, and here we go.
Well, first of all, this is not expected at this point to be as strong as the previous hurricanes we've been dealing with, and it will likely track to our west, but we don't know that for sure yet. We'll continue to watch it. Let's take a look at the satellite first of all, and you can see the location again in the western part of the Caribbean. Water's very warm this time of year, instability, and of course we've been talking about this area now for the last 24 hours, but now officially a tropical depression with 35-mile-per-hour winds. Now the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center, there will be some land interaction despite the fact that it could, even as early as tonight or possibly early tomorrow, strengthen into Tropical Storm Nate, the next name on the list in the Atlantic hurricane season for 2017. Friday at 2 p.m. with 70-mile-per-hour winds, and you can see that forecast position Saturday at 2 p.m. Watch the white cone of air. That's the most important part of this track, and most of that, all of it, as a matter of fact, is outside of the News Channel 8 viewing area. Possible landfall there Sunday at 2 p.m. with 75-mile-per-hour winds, but this track will change, and we've learned that recently, how these tracks shift and change with computer model data that's constantly coming in. Today we saw the 12Z European computer model shift a little to the west, and then as a result we saw the National Hurricane Center shift that a little bit farther to the west. So right now that's where the bulk of the computer models are saying, in that general range west of the Big Bend area, but that can change, as we well know, as the conditions in the upper levels change. We'll continue to keep you posted on this one.
I feel like we know all too well about all of this now. Thank you, Steve. And it's not too late to download our Storm Team 8 Hurricane Ready Guide. It has information to help you and your family prepare, including a list of emergency numbers, tips on preparing, and a list of evacuation zones and shelters. You can download it at WFLA.com or on our News Channel 8 app.